All right, so I recently picked up and unboxed the Apple Mac Mini, the M4 Mini, and I've been loving this powerhouse. However, I've really missed the portability of a MacBook, so today I picked up the M4 Pro MacBook Pro in silver. I'm really looking forward to using this. I picked up silver just because it goes very well with my current setup. My work issued MacBook Pro is also silver, and I had the Space Black MacBook Pro previous to this. And I know you don't really need to upgrade each generation. The M1 chips are even still crazy powerful. My wife uses an M2 MacBook Air and it's just still blazing fast, but really wanted to check this one out for myself and upgrade myself. So this is the base model. I think it's plenty enough power, 24 gigabytes of RAM, 512 gigabytes of storage. Don't really need much more than that for my personal use. It's going to serve me well for, I think, quite a bit. Unboxing is going to be very familiar from other Apple unboxings. You do get some documentation that we will set aside, and then you do get Apple's standard charging brick, which I really do like their charging bricks. I still think Apple nails it out of the park with these charging bricks compared to other laptops. Then, of course, you get their nice braided cable for charging. I still typically just use USB-C to charge. I don't always use their proprietary charger, but it works great for overall charging. And then here we have that MacBook Pro. Again, it's going to look very familiar to previous generation MacBooks, especially the M series, but on the sides now, we not only have the headphone jack with the Thunderbolt 5 ports, we also have one additional Thunderbolt port here, also Thunderbolt 5, the SD card reader, and the HDMI. Very interesting that they're still adding that HDMI. Let's get this powered up though and get it all set up. Really looking forward to diving into this laptop. Let me know in the comments down below what questions you might have about these new M4 laptops. I look forward to using this as my main device going forward for all of my workload. Stay tuned for my review long term. Thank you for watching. Take care and stay safe.